Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaris. In this next video, we'll be cloning our VMs, creating our two domain controllers, our certification authority, our gateway server, and our primary site server. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to do our DC01. So right click on template, click on manage, clone. Next, the current state in the virtual machine. Next, create a full clone. Next, we're going to call this DC01. You can create it wherever you'd like. I'm going to actually change my locations before I do that. So let's go up here and I'm going to change my location of my VMs down here to VMware. Okay. And I'll do that one more time. So clone. There we go. And now if I say DC01, it'll create that in that folder. Okay. I'm going to click finish. It's going to clone. And when we're done cloning, we're going to create a secondary partition. So we're going to expand our first drive from 129 gigabytes to 161.2. And I'll show you how we do that. Okay. So DC01 and DC02 are going to have the exact same thing. So down here, we're actually going to clone DC01 instead of just the template. Okay. So give it a second, click close. You'll see DC01. Right click, settings, click on the hard disk, click expand, and type 161.2 gigabytes and expand. And I'll come back when that's done. Okay, and we're back. It just gives you a little, the disk was successfully expanded, etc. Click OK and OK. So down here, we're going to right click DC01. You can see it says 161.2 now. Manage, clone, next, 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 DC02, finish, and now it's going to clone that. Now our gateway will be a clone of template, so I'll be back when that's done. Okay, and here we go. We'll click close. There's DC02. Now we're going to right click on template, right click, manage, clone, next, next, next. I'm going to do GW01, which is our gateway. Now the gateway is going to have a secondary network controller. So it'll have an internal one for the network, and then it'll have an external one for the internet. So one will be the CM lab, and the other one will be NAT, which shares the IP address with our host machine. Okay, so I'll give you a few moments here. Okay, and we'll click close, and now we'll right click on GW01, click settings, click add, network adapter, finish. Now you'll see our LAN segment and our NAT. Okay, click OK, and we're good there. Now we're going to create our certification authority. So right click on template, manage, clone, next, next, create a full clone, CA01, click finish, and I'll come back when that's done. Okay, and that one's done. Now we're going to expand its drive. So right click on CA01, settings, hard disk, expand. We're going to type 145.1 and click expand. And I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, that's good to go. Click OK and OK. There we go. Now we're going to create our CM server or configuration manager server. So right click on template, manage, clone, next, 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 CM01, click finish, and I'll come back when that's done. Okay, and here we are. We'll click close. We're going to right click on CM01, click on settings, and you'll notice we're going to do a few things here. So we're going to expand the memory to 16 gigabytes or 16,384 megabytes. We're going to increase the number of cores per processor to 4, so it'll be as if we have 8 cores 8 processors, I should say. We're going to expand our drive to 961.6 gigabytes, okay? Now remember, these are thin provisions, so it's not using all that space at once, so don't worry. So let's go here. First, memory, 16,384, tab, and you'll see it goes right to the 16 gigs. Click on processors. Number of cores per processor, move that down to 4. Good. And now click on hard disk, expand, type 961.6, and expand. And I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, that's good. Click OK, and OK. Now, we can either right-click template and click remove, which won't delete the file. It'll leave it on our drive, and we can open it later if we'd like to. Or you can click delete from disk. If you're low on space, if you need every bit of space on that drive that you need, go ahead and delete that. I myself am just going to click remove. Okay, and as you can see, it's gone. Okay, but if I go to my F drive, virtual machines, VMware, you'll see my template is still there, all my files. So I can reopen that if I'd like to. Now I'm going to drag these underneath CM Lab and drag them so that they're all under that folder. Okay, there we go. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.